The first thing we'll need to do is to install ECL Emma. I'm going to go to Help and then Eclipse Marketplace. Then I'm going to search for ECL Emma. We should find this, and then you can just click Install to go ahead and install this, and this will give us code coverage support. We just need to accept this license, and then it will go ahead and do this install. And now this is relaunched, you should see this new item in our toolbar. If we click this arrow, you can see there's this coverage as, and we can do JUnit test. And this will allow us to run our JUnit test and generate code coverage. You can see right here that it gives us this coverage tab, and we can see exactly what the coverage is. If we look in our protein tracker source, we can see that in our tracking service Java, it shows us some green lines that indicate what lines have been executed, some yellow lines that shows us these branch conditions where it missed a particular branch, and then red lines for code that hasn't executed at all. This code completely got missed. So you can see this is a pretty useful tool, very easy to use with JUnit when you integrate this into Eclipse. Very useful for figuring out what lines of code that you might have missed by a test or that you need to create more tests. Usually I'll use this to figure out, okay, for example, with this is goal met, I need to write a test that is going to exercise this. So then I could write some tests. I could rerun this and see how this report has changed until I get everything where I want it to be.